So guys, if you want to buy new domain name, or if you want to renew your domain name, or if you want to transfer your domain name, this is a very important video for you. This is not a sponsored video, and I'm not saying one company is good, one company is bad. Everybody has their own different business models and all they are fair in their own business models. So let me tell you my story. So I own this domain name ignitetechpro.com and I want to renew this domain name. And this domain name I booked like many years ago on GoDaddy. So GoDaddy is charging me $22 to renew this domain name. Not just this, if I take this add-on full domain protection, like I'm gonna pay $1 plus, and then it's gonna cost me for 1 year around, you can see $36. And guys, make no mistake, this is a normal domain. This is not a premium or fast domain. People who doesn't know, let me explain you. When you book a domain name, this one domain name which is like normal domain name, and what is like fast DNS premium domain name. Whenever you buy the premium DNS, your website load much faster. Or you can understand that it's not about the website, it's more about the how fast the DNS resolve. Because you know, all these websites, for example, you can see GoDaddy.com. In real, this is a IP. So whenever you enter this domain name, your DNS provider connects that domain name with IP. For example, you can see this is GoDaddy.com. Whenever somebody searches GoDaddy.com, this DNS is resolved to this IP. That's how this website loads. So to get premium domain name, let me show you how much it costs. So if you want to have premium DNS, or you can say you have to pay $71 extra for premium DNS. And if you don't want all these things, we can just renew this domain name for $22 something. And now you must say, okay, it's fine, $22 is not a big thing. But what if I tell you, no, this is not the best offer. Actually, this is a very, very bad offer. There's so many other domain providers also. For example, you can go to Namecheap. I raised a lot of domain name from Namecheap. You can see here, if I transfer this domain name or a book domain name, it will cost me $11. And you will be really happy. Okay, now we are getting all these things for $11.48 instead of GoDaddy charging $22. But here also we are not getting the premium DNS. To get premium DNS, we need to add this another add-on. You can say this is $2.98 per year. You can say not really big price, but like $14-15. But when you renew, it will cost you like $17-18. But let me tell you what I do. I'm moving all my domain names and I'm moving them all to Cloudflare domains. So Cloudflare domains cost around $10, and even renewal also $10. They don't have this hidden prices that when you're going to renew domain name, they're going to charge you more. No. They charge you now this price, and also in the future this price. It might be adjusted, but yes, it's much cheaper than all these other companies. Now you must be thinking $11 versus $10 is not a big thing. Actually, no. So whenever you buy a domain name from Cloudflare domains, what happens? It gives you premium DNS. If you guys know about Cloudflare, they own the biggest DNS infrastructure in the world. And this video is not a sponsored video. They're not paying me to make this video. It's just my own experiences. A lot of people don't like Cloudflare. It's their own thing, but as a developer, I think it's very useful. And what you're getting here, you're not getting just fast DNS name. First of all, you're getting a very cheap price, around $10 for renewal, for buying new and all these things. Second, you're getting the fast DNS, for which you're paying like extra money, like $71 to GoDaddy, and for Namecheap also. And not just this, you get domain registration, also you get domain protection. So all these things which you're paying, like, you know, different prices, different add-ons on other providers, at Cloudflare, all these things are provided free to you. And now you must be thinking like, why they are giving all these things for free? Where's the catch? I understand, I searched for it. Here you need to understand, Cloudflare is not just a domain registrar. Cloudflare provides a lot of other services also. So for them, it's like a trick to get you in their ecosystem. So once you start using Cloudflare, you might use their other services. So this is the whole story about it. I just want to show you that you can get a very cheap domain from Cloudflare instead of buying it all the places. And before I move forward, I highly recommend you to subscribe to the channel. I create this useful informational video which will not only help you with domain transfer, but I also create video about website development, using new AI tools for your website growth, getting more traffic, SEO tutorials and tips, and so many other useful videos. So if you're really serious about your website, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I already have so many useful videos on the channel. Check the description of this video and you'll definitely find some videos which will help you to grow your website or get more traffic or have a better website or to use new AI tools. And subscribing takes just 2 seconds and it's totally free. So yes, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, let me show you the procedure. If you want to buy a new domain name, or you want to transfer domain name, you want to renew your domain name, how you can do. For example, I want to renew this domain name which is costing me around $22 or $15 on Namecheap. So what I will do, I'll just log into my Cloudflare account. You can check the link in the description of this video. That's not affiliate link. Left side, go to domains and click on transfers. Or if you're buying a new domain name, click on registration. So what I will do here, because I'm renewing my domain name, I'll just click on onboard a domain and then I'll enter my domain name without any HTTPS. Click on continue. Here they're asking you select a plan for indexpro.com. I don't need a plan. Just I click on select plan because we are just bringing domain name there. We're not buying any services from them. It might take some time. You can see traffic is almost ready to proxy everything and then continue to activation. So whenever you add your domain name, you will see the instruction what you need to do. Okay, now you can see what we need to do. We need to log in into our domain provider, in my case GoDaddy, and I need to change the name servers. And now you must be thinking, we are changing name servers, what it has to do with like domain transfer. This is how Cloudflare works. So yeah, we just first make the domain name enable on Cloudflare and then we'll proceed the transfer process. And guys, I also want to talk about why we need to change the name servers before transferring the domain name. Because what happens if you go by traditional route and you just transfer domain name without updating the DNS record, your website might be unavailable. So what Cloudflare is doing here, it is already changing your domain name servers. So once you move your website, your DNSS will stay the same DNSS it used to be on your previous domain provider. So your website will have no downtime. It might be down for a few minutes, and this is, I'm oversimplifying this thing, but I find this is a really good thing that the website is not going down for a long time. So I will go back to GoDaddy. I will go to my products. If you want to know information on other domain provider, how you can do this thing, check the link of description in this video. So here you can see if I click on DNS here, and then you can see name servers. So now I need to click on change name servers. Then I will copy the name servers Cloudflare provided me, and then I'll delete the old name servers and then add the new name servers here. And guys, let me tell you, when you're going to do this, there might be a downtime to your website. So make sure you already add a downtime notice on your website or be prepared for it. Don't be surprised if your website goes down for some time. Click on save and then click on continue. Okay, your request is in progress. So now what we need to do is click on I updated my name servers. And guys, this might take some time, that the name server you have changed here, they will take some time to be updated. You might see them here, but yes, in real it might take some time. So I'll keep checking here. So now what I will do, I'll go back to domains and then go to transfers. You can see now this is the domain I want to transfer, but it is logged at current registrar. Disable transfer lock, then recheck. So what we need to, we need to go back to GoDaddy and we need to disable the transfer lock. Okay, so now what we need to do again, select the domain which we want to transfer and then click on domain and then click on registration settings. And then from here you can see domain lock on. I'll just disable this option. By clicking continue, you agree to unlock a domain name. Unlocking domain name may allow unauthorized changes, including transfer to a registrar. But that we are trying to do here. So just click on continue. You can see domain name has been disabled. So what I will do, I'll go back to my Cloudflare account and I will click on recheck. You can see unlocking, moving to available. So now if I check back here, I will see this ready to transfer. I click on expand. So this name I want to transfer. So I'll just click here and then continue with one domain. And then I need to add this authorization code. We'll click again on the domain name we want to transfer to the new registrar. This is a little bit tricky. They don't want us to really, make the domain transfer. That's why it's so complicated. But I try to make this easy for you guys. So click on domain and then you will see domain here. And then if we just click on registration settings, we scroll the page, you can see transfer to another registrar. Since our domain lock is disabled now, we can click on transfer to other registrar. They might ask for verification, so make sure you have your phone handy to get the code and then verify the code. You might see this notice, you may not need to transfer. I'll just ignore this and then click on continue and then click here to see authorization code. Copy to clipboard. I'll go back to the Cloudflare and then paste the authorization code here and then just click on continue payment. Add your billing details, click on confirm transfer. So once you make the payment, you can click here view transfer status. It might take some time to transfer the domain. So now you can see here transfer progress, unlock domain name is done, disable whose price is done, enter authorization code done. We can see payment is done. This is the process. Waiting for your previous registrar to release the domain. Look for an email, your previous registrar option disable to approve the transfer, otherwise it might take 7 days. So you might need to check your email now. In most of the cases, you will receive an email which will tell you that the domain is being processed to transfer or something similar. I'll check my email here. You can see your domain transfer ready to go. They received the notification today, 29th of June. If you want to proceed with this transfer, you do not need to respond to this message. So you do not need to do anything here. But just in case, keep an eye if your domain provider want an extra authentication or authorization from you via email or log into your account C for a notification about this transfer. In my case, I don't need to do anything. If you want to cancel this transfer, you can sign in your account and cancel the transfer. With this said, sometimes it can be really complicated for you to really transfer domain name. As you can see here, if I want to proceed with transfer, I do not need to do anything here. And when I go back to my Cloudflare account, if I refresh the page, you can see it's still stuck in this phase waiting for previous registrar to release the domain. Here they say I don't need to do anything, but how we can accelerate this process? Maybe it will be transferred in few days, few hours. But what we can do, go back to your GoDaddy account and then go to DNS and then click here on transfers. Once you go to transfer here, you will see transfer out. So here you will see the domain you want to transfer, which you already approved and add the code to your new domain register. So from here, select this one and click on approve transfer. You can see we are processing your request to approve the transfer. The domain should show up at new register within 15 to 30 minutes. Now if I'll go back here, I will refresh the page, the domain will be transferred. That's all you need to do here. You do not need to do anything else with domain transfer. Now your domain will be 100% transfer at such a low price. You see, it was costing us like with premium DNS around $70 or $100 for a year. We just pay $10 Cloudflare and we have our domain name transfer. Guys, this is not a sponsored video. I just like this service. I thought that it's really nice for sharing this information with the audience of our YouTube channel. So just after doing this, I received this email, your domain transfer is completed. This is the email from GoDaddy. And then I received another information from Cloudflare that domain transfer complete. If I go back to my Cloudflare account, if I refresh the page, I should be seeing the domain transfer complete. Okay, now email verification required. So I have to verify the email information. So check the email which is provided here to verify the domain transfer. If you have not received the email, just click on resend email. You can verify your email. But one important thing you need to do here is click on settings and then click on enable DNSSEC. So what it will do, it will use a cryptographic signature of published DNS record to protect your domain name against forced DNS answers. It's a really important feature. And then you can see whose privacy is already enabled. Do not disable this thing. If you want to know more about how we can take more benefit from Cloudflare, how you can make a website faster, what are the other benefits, how you can secure a website even more with Cloudflare, and everything's for free. We just transfer domain name. Let me know if this video is useful. If you have any more questions about website, domain name transfer, website development, SEO, website speed optimization, anything, please comment below. I will be really happy to help you out with those questions. I reply to all the comments on this channel. If you want to nerd up your website game, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribing is totally free. It will take just 2 seconds. I really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel.